You've just left the scroll. An hour, maybe more, of swiping, absorbing, reacting. Your system is buzzing with fragments, opinions, warnings, highlights, crises, tiny jolts, big feelings, all compressed into a glowing screen. Your brain was never meant to hold this much noise, and yet here you are, still breathing. Please get comfortable sitting or lying down. Close your eyes. Let's breathe now. Gently inhale. Let your inhale stretch out slowly, and release it just as slowly. Again. Breathe in, feeling the chest rise, and let it go. You are not in danger. You are not falling behind. You are simply overstimulated. Notice that buzzing feeling, mentally, emotionally. It's not weakness. It's your body responding to too much input. Too many tabs open in your mind. What you've seen, it wasn't all meant for you. Not every tragedy needs your reaction. Not every success needs your comparison. Not every moment online is real. Let your breath stay soft and easy. Let your attention slow down. Try to remember the last thing you saw that really stirred you. A headline, a comment, a video that made you feel inferior, enraged, or confused. Name it, then gently ask yourself, was that mine to carry? If the answer is no, imagine it evaporating. If the answer is yes, decide what a calm, focused you would do with that information. Think about it now for 1 minute. You don't need to know everything. You don't need to hold it all. Much of what you consumed was designed to provoke, not inform, to keep you scrolling, not to keep you sane. But you're stepping out of that loop now. You're choosing clarity. You are not a product. You are not a content machine. You are a mind, a heart, a body, and you deserve stillness. Let the breath guide you back, in slowly, and out softly. You've already done the most radical thing. You stopped. You chose to notice, and now you choose to recover. Bring your attention gently to the space between your eyebrows. Right at the center of your forehead, let your awareness rest there. Not forced, just soft and steady. If your mind wanders, it's okay. Just bring it back to that quiet point, the space behind the center of the forehead, your mind's quiet eye. Try this for 5 minutes. If thoughts arise, let them drift like clouds. You don't need to grab onto them. Just return to the center. Focus on the center of your forehead. It's normal to get caught up in thought. Just guide yourself back to focusing. One minute left. You're teaching your mind to pause, to sift signal from static, to choose presence over reaction. Even now, you may feel a little clearer, a little more like yourself. This is a skill. It will get better the more you practice. So take one more soft breath in and a gentle exhale out. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. You've made space, you've made clarity, you've come back to yourself. This is recovery.